Hello, very good day to you. In a reversal of fortunes to what we've seen recently, we do have a north-south split at the moment, but the wettest weather's across the south through the next few days. At the moment, we have a frontal system lying across central parts of the UK, and this is bringing some pretty heavy rain as we go through Wednesday afternoon, particularly across parts of Wales. That's where we're likely to see some high rainfall totals building up and the risk of some flooding. But you can see it's a pretty wet picture across this central slice of the country. Further north, it's a brighter picture, some blustery showers across northwestern parts of Scotland, and also a drier picture for more southern counties. And here, with some bright sunny weather, again temperatures above average for the time of year. Not quite as warm as it has been recently, but still getting into the low 20s Celsius, but markedly cooler, colder further north because of some cold air that's starting to push its way in from the north. As we go through the end of the day on Wednesday, we're going to continue to see that rain pushing its way southwards, so a fairly wet picture across many southern parts of England and Wales. That rain could be a little bit heavy at times. Further north, though, we have clear skies, a few showers perhaps towards northwest and coastal parts of Scotland and possibly Northern Ireland, but for many it's dry. Under those clear skies, temperatures going to take a bit of a dip. We could see a touch of frost across many northern parts through Thursday morning, but a milder start to the day across the south because of that cloud and because of that rain. That rain then should clear away towards the east as we go through Thursday morning, but it's not going to turn completely dry. I think the cloud will be thick enough for a few spots of rain as we go into the afternoon across southern areas. Further north, it's going to be brighter and sunnier. Most places across Northern Ireland, Northern England and Scotland seeing some decent sunny breaks, although notice there will be some showery rain across the far north of Scotland, especially across Orkney and Shetland. Still a contrast in our temperatures on Thursday from north to south, but not quite as marked as earlier on in the week. Across northern areas, again, we're getting into your low teens Celsius. Meanwhile, in the south, we're likely to see highs of around 18 or 19 Celsius. As we go through the end of the day on Thursday, continuing with the largely dry theme across northern parts, a bit of rain starting to push into the far northwest of Scotland, but it's in the southwest where we have a swathe of very wet weather that's going to start to push its way in. That's in association with this low pressure and its frontal system, which is going to make its way across central southern parts of the UK as we go into Friday, likely to bring a significant amount of rain, which is why we do have a warning out. Some flooding and disruption to travel is quite likely. Further north, we'll be under the influence of this low pressure. That will bring some showery rain, perhaps something wintry too, and also some colder air which is going to plunge its way southwards as we go through the weekend. So a quick look at the weekend, and yes, for many we will see some decent dry and sunny weather, but there will also be some showers around. These most likely towards the north in areas exposed to that northerly wind, and in the north there's a good chance that we'll see some sleet or snow, mainly over higher ground. But for all of us, it will be a change to something a bit colder, a bit more autumnal than it was last weekend. There's more information on this drop in temperatures across our social media, on our website and our app. I'll see you later.